I believe the idea of entrepreneurship, which may be a scary word to some people, but just how to kind of starting something on their own, a company, a product, a service, whatever. I think it's innate in more of us than any of us realize. You know, maybe 10 or 15% of us of any given population. And when I go around the world and I ask from the stage, a show of hands, if you've ever had an idea, and I'm sure everyone's listening is kind of raising their hand now. You know, you had an idea that you wanted to do something with, and then I say, keep your hand up if you've actually taken the first step to go to do that. And then all the hands go down, or at least most of them. And what I've thought about over the last few months is that I want to help you all understand that it doesn't have to be as scary as it may seem. And that more importantly, there's a mindset and maybe even a methodology about how you can go kind of test this out to see if you can put that into play. Who doesn't want to take a chance, right, to take an idea and put it into play? So that's what this workshop that I've recently developed is about. And we're going to run it again, hopefully real soon. I call it a 1.1 day commitment. And the point one is we need to get the group together, up to 20 of you and myself, very hands-on. And we're just going to break bread, eat some food and get to know each other and kind of just to get to know each other a little bit, so that then the next day, which is a full day, about a 6 or 7 hour sprint, we're going to walk through kind of 8 segments that I've identified that you should know. And it's very much of a actionable, hands-on type of thing. Small lectures and then workshops. You actually do stuff. You'll do stuff together. You'll do stuff individually, as a group, among, and it doesn't matter, by the way, what your idea is. This is entrepreneurship broadly defined. So though I may have come more out of a tech sector, it doesn't have to be. I'm going to give you a mindset about how to figure out who your customers are, what your mental framework should be, how do you start to build out, find the resources that you need to start to kind of see whether your idea even has merit, which is what you really need to find out in the first step. I think a great place to finish is to say, what I'll tell you about entrepreneurship and about being a founder and starting a company is this is a team sport. It's a community. It's a tribe. It's a really tight community. By the way, I've been all over the world, but we here in Raleigh-Durham do it better than just about anybody else. We're an easy place to start a company. And so come join us. It's an easy give. And hopefully, you know, you'll be building the next huge local company that we'll all get to watch and enjoy.